Hey guys, back into the video, and a video I did not expect to make for at least a couple days, because I ordered this a couple days ago, not even that long, from Amazon. It was supposed to come either today or the 27th. I thought it was at least going to come a few days from now, but alright, that's from Amazon, obviously, because that's all I ever do is unbox stuff from Amazon as I order. Better be the right color. I don't trust it. I don't trust the color of it because it was supposed to be blue. Okay, good, just a minute. Okay. Okay, interesting. Because it's the right thing, but it's also it's the wrong core for some reason. It's authentic blue lantern ring, but it's in a Green Lantern box. That's very interesting. Okay, there's something in here. But this stuff drives me crazy. Hold on. Why are you doing it toward me? Okay, that's probably nothing. Okay. I like it though. I like this because I love Green Lantern. I think he should get it. I think he's getting a new movie with Jon Stewart in it. Ow. Cool. The reason I got the blue lens because a while back I took a quiz. And blue is the ring, or the lantern core I got. Okay. I'm actually having trouble getting this ring off. There we go. So yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, I didn't expect this today. That's cool. And while I am kind of disappointed that it's blue, this is blue and it came in green. I'm not exactly mad at it. Be careful. Get this back in the box. Anyway, that does it for this video. Later.